Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about how to use closed captions in your YouTube watching experience. So I'm going to start this video, and the way I'm going to start is by clicking on the start arrow or play arrow. You can hear it playing. I'm going to pause it for a minute. But sometimes if you are watching something that you're having a difficult time understanding the speaker, or just for whatever reason you want to have closed captions on, I want to draw your attention down to the CC right here. I'm going to click on that, and now you're going to see closed captions come on. So now when you watch your video, you'll be able to see the captions. Now they might not be 100% accurate, but they do a pretty good job overall. So by clicking on the CC, that's the closed caption option, you'll be able to watch your video and see the text describing what that is about. Okay, my friends, thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.